What's up guys, and it's time for the speed test comparison between the brand new Samsung Galaxy A70 versus the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and both of these phones are having the Snapdragon 675, so that's exciting. And there is a huge price gap between these two phones, $400 versus 200 to 250 US. So let's see which one wins this race. Alright, so I will start with booting up both of these phones in 3, 2 and 1. Here we go. There's Samsung's latest One UI with Android 9.0 Pie in the A70, while there's MIUI 10.2.10, the latest operating system right now based on Pie in the Note 7 Pro. So really excited. Okay, that's a clear winner, the Note 7 Pro, while Samsung Galaxy A70. Alright, so both of these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and just check out the brightness level. This, and there is no application running in the background, so both of these are having only similar applications that will be used only for testing. Let's start with opening the system dialer in 3, 2 and 1. Alright, so that was equally same guys, no difference at all. Now let's open the messenger. Here we go. Okay, so I think the Redmi Note 7 Pro a tiny bit faster, not a huge difference, but there was a minor difference. Let's open the camera application. Here we go. Alright, so Samsung Galaxy A70 faster because the focus was laid there in the Note 7 Pro. Okay, so now let's open the settings application from the quick setting panel. Here we go. Alright, that was equally same, no difference at all. It's time to open the Play Store. Here we go. Alright, so that was again same. Alright, so let's open a few third-party applications and games. Let's start with the internet-based applications. First off, we have this Quora in 3, 2 and 1. Alright, so it's taking some time in both of these phones. Okay, so there was an error. Let's try again. Alright, so Quora seems down, but both of these applications at the same time, no difference at all. It's time to open the Reddit. Here we go. Galaxy A70 clear winner here. Discord, both were equally same, no difference at all. Instagram. Okay, so A70 a little bit faster again. Let's open Snapchat, A70 faster. Facebook, here we go, equal in both of these phones. That's actually impressive. Now let's open a few games and there we'll see the real speed difference. Let's start with the Subway Surfers. Here we go. And just look at the screen difference we have right now. Alright, so both were equal. I think the Galaxy A70 a tiny bit late maybe. I think that's equal. You guys are the one to decide, so do comment down below about this. And just look at that chin guys, just look at that chin. I mean, it's the iPhone 10 chin we have right now, same bezel like the chin. It's time for the pen out. Here we go. A70 clear winner. Let's open PUBG. 3, 2, 1. You can see the animation difference in both of these phones while opening PUBG. A70 a bit faster, of course. Right now both of these are at the same point. We'll see which one wins this race. Alright, so Samsung Galaxy A70 a bit late, while the Note 7 Pro is the clear winner here. And that was a tiny bit different, not a huge difference I would say. Okay guys, so now let's open the Asphalt 8 cause that's another heavy game. And here we go. So again the first splash screen was there in the A70. Let's see if this one wins or not. So that was really quick in the A70, that was really quick. And the Note 7 Pro was not far behind. So great. And at last let's open the Photoshop Express and let's render the 4K 8K image. Again the opening animation is really impressive in the A70. Here's an 8K image. So just see the difference while exporting this image. Here we go. Alright, so that was same in both of these phones. I think A70 a little bit faster here. Never mind. Let's jump to the RAM management test. Let's see which smartphone has refreshed the application. Starting things from the phone dialer. There in the A70, Messenger. Again A70 settings. Okay, A70 still there. Play Store, Reddit. Alright, Galaxy A70 still maintaining the RAM management, while Note 7 Pro lost again. And that's the Samsung's One UI versus MIUI 10. I said this before also, MIUI 10 is not impressive at all in terms of the RAM management. I hope MIUI 11 is gonna improve this thing at least. Let's open the Instagram. Again, time for the Subway Surfers. Here we go. PUBG. The Note 7 Pro is just losing. So there it is guys, the Samsung Galaxy A70 versus the Note 7 Pro. Samsung Galaxy A70 clear winner. So you guys know Samsung can do anything if they have the 675 in their hands at low price. The Galaxy A60 is coming really soon with the 675 at lower price than the A50. So that's gonna be impressive, really waiting for this one. And in terms of RAM management, in terms of opening most of the applications, there you have the A70 clear winner. While in terms of a few applications, the Note 7 Pro won. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The battery draining test, camera comparison coming really soon. Peace out.